So in this topic today we are going to learn about colors, vocabulary about colors, and colors meaning in Hindi is rang. So number one color name we are going to learn black, and its meaning is kala. Next is blue, and blue color is known in Hindi as neela. Number third, brown, and brown we call in Hindi is bhura. Fourth, green, in Hindi hara. Fifth color is orange, in Hindi narangi or santri. Next is sixth number, red, we call in Hindi lal. Next is seventh, white, and white color we call in Hindi is safed. Number yellow, and yellow color we call in Hindi as pila.